Hello students, now let's start our lesson. The theme of our lesson is treatment types.
Please pay your attention to the screen. Can you compare and contrast these two pictures? Please share your ideas. The first one, as we all know, is massage, which is perhaps one of the oldest healing traditions. Many ancient peoples, including the ancient Greeks, Egyptians, Chinese, and Indians, were convinced of the therapeutic properties of massage and used it to treat a variety of ailments. Massage therapy, including myotherapy, is the practice of kneading or manipulating a person's muscles and other soft tissue in order to improve their well-being or health. It is a form of manual therapy that includes holding, moving, and applying pressure to the muscles, tendons, ligaments, and fascia. The term massage therapy is used to describe a wide variety of techniques that vary in a manner in which touch, pressure, and the intensity of the treatment is applied. Then on the second picture, we see that doctor is offering you two choices: healthy lifestyle or consuming medicals. Okay, so now let's move to our another task matching. You have to match the terminologies with their definitions with the help of cards. So let me read it for you. We have the words like acupuncture, ailment, alternative, chronic, complementary, conventional, funding, hypnosis, impractical, and infused. And the definitions could be a way of treating pain or illness by putting thin needles into part of the body, an illness that is not very serious, different from what is usual or expected, continuing for a long time and not easily solved or cured, combining well with other things to bring out the good in him, used or existing for a long time and considered as usual, an amount of money used for a specific purpose, a state similar to sleep in which someone's thoughts and actions could be influenced by someone else, not sensible, filled with a particular feeling of quality. Okay, so now we will work a little bit with reading paragraphs. Please try to understand as much as possible. Let me read them for you. The first one is going to be about acupuncture. So this is an ancient Chinese treatment. It involves inserting needles into different points on the body. It is believed that stimulating certain points on the body can help reduce pain and make the patient feel better. Acupuncture is used to help patients recover and reduce the feelings of nausea after operations. So acupuncture is done using hair-thin needles. Most people report feeling minimal pain as the needle is inserted. The needle is inserted to a point that produces a sensation of pressure or ache. Needles may be heated during the treatment, or a mild electric current may be applied to them. Some people report acupuncture makes them feel energized. Others say they feel relaxed. Improper placement of the needle can cause pain during treatment. Needles must be sterilized to prevent infection. That is why it is important to seek treatment from a qualified acupuncture practitioner. The FDA regulates acupuncture needles just as it does other medical devices under good manufacturing practices and single-use standards of sterility. The next one is going to be about chiropractic. This type of treatment is concerned with the system of the body that includes the skeleton and spine. Chiropractic treatment includes manipulating the spine to treat headaches, back pain, and neck pain. Chiropractic therapists can also suggest exercises and lifestyle changes that can improve health. It is also well established in the United States of America, Canada, and Australia. It overlaps with other manual therapy professions, such as osteopathy and physical therapy. Most who seek chiropractic care do so for low back pain. Back and neck pain are considered the specialists of chiropractic, but many chiropractors treat elements other than musculoskeletal issues. Chiropractic has two main groups, which are straights, now the minority, emphasize vitalism, innate intelligence, and consider vertebral subluxation to be the cause of all disease. And mixers, the majority, are more open to mainstream use and conventional medical techniques such as exercise, massage, and ice therapy. Homeopathy is the next one. Homeopathy is a form of treating people by giving them diluted natural substances. These substances cause symptoms to be shown in healthy people. A patient will receive a remedy that causes the same symptoms in a healthy person as their illness. These remedies are given to people in the form of small white tablets. It was also conceived in 1796 by the German physician whose name is Samuel Hahnemann. Its practitioners, called homeopaths, believe that a substance that causes symptoms of a disease in healthy people can share similar symptoms in sick people. This doctrine is called similia similibus curantur, or like cures like. Homeopathic preparations are termed remedies and are made using homeopathic dilution. In this process, the selected substance is repeatedly diluted until the final product is chemically undistinguishable from the diluent. Often, not even a single molecule of the original substance can be expected to remain in the product. Between each dilution, homeopaths may hit and or shake the product, claiming this makes the diluent remember the original substance after its removal. Practitioners claim that such preparations upon oral intake can treat or cure disease. Hypnotherapy is the next type of treatment that we are going to talk right now. Hypnotherapy is the treatment of people using hypnosis. Hypnosis is a special way of making people sleep by deeply relaxing them or putting them in a trance. While patients are hypnotized, they are given suggestions that are believed to assist recovery and improve health. Induced hypnotic state inclined to increase motivation or alter behavior patterns. Consults with client to determine nature of problem. Prepares client to enter hypnotic state by explaining how hypnosis works and what client will experience. Tests subject to determine degree of physical and emotional suggestibility. Induced hypnotic state in client using individualized methods and techniques of hypnosis based on interpretation of test results and analysis of client's problem. May train client in self-hypnosis conditioning. The next one that we have in here is going to be about massage therapy. So the treatment of people using massage is known as massage therapy. Massage is a useful form of therapy and can help people heal, relax, and feel good. There are many different types of massage that can help people, including thigh massage, Swedish massage, and deep tissue massage. It is perhaps one of the oldest healing traditions. Many Asian peoples, including the ancient Greeks, Egyptians, Chinese, and Indians, were convinced of the therapeutic properties of massage and used it to treat a variety of ailments. Massage therapy, including myotherapy, is the practice of kneading or manipulating a person's muscles and other soft tissue in order to improve their well-being or health. It is a form of manual therapy that includes holding, moving, and applying pressure to the muscles, tendons, ligaments, and fascia. The term massage therapy is used to describe a wide variety of techniques that vary in a manner in which touch, pressure, and the intensity of the treatment is applied. So the next one that we have in here is going to be about reflexology. Reflexology is the treatment of patients by applying pressure to the feet, ears, or hands. Different parts of the hands and feet correspond to other areas of the body. Reflexologists believe that applying pressure to these parts can have a positive effect on the health of the patient. Also, the theory behind reflexology is that areas of the foot correspond to organs and systems of the body. Pressure applied to the foot is believed to bring relaxation and healing to the corresponding area of the body. Reflexologists use foot charts to guide them as they apply pressure to specific areas. Reflexology is sometimes combined with other hands-on therapies and may be offered by chiropractors and physical therapists, among others. Several studies indicate that reflexology may reduce pain and psychological symptoms such as stress and anxiety and enhance relaxation and sleep. Given that reflexology is also low risk, it can be a reasonable option if you are seeking relaxation and stress relief. That is all for today. Thank you all for today's lesson, and goodbye.